Hello everyone, welcome back to my Flossom World. So today's video is about a product review. तो अगर आप लोगों ने मेरा बकरीद का व्लॉग देखा होगा तो उसमें आई हैव यूज़ दिस मेकअप सेट फ्रॉम इबा कॉस्मेटिक्स एंड उसमें मैंने बताया भी था कि मेरे बर्थडे पे मेरी सिस्टर्स ने मुझे ये गिफ्ट में भेजा था. सो नाउ आई हैव यूज्ड इट फॉर आई थिंक 2 or 3 times and after that I am reviewing the products that are inside the box. So first of all, let's talk about the brand. The brand Eba Cosmetics, it says that it is halal certified. Like the products that they are manufacturing, they are halal, they are cruelty free, they are vegan. They don't have any alcohol, no pork or any animal derived ingredients, no sulfates and parabens. They claim to be totally vegan and free from any sulfate and parabens. So विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम लेट्स ओपन द बॉक्स. ओके, ये इंक मेरे हाथ में लग गई थी, मैं पेन का काम कर रही थी, वो लीक हो गया तो मेरे हाथ में लग गया. इसको इग्नोर करिए और बॉक्स को ओपन करते हैं. या सो दिस इज़ द बॉक्स एंड वी गेट 5 products. So here we have foundation, then we have this compact, then primer, then kajal and 2 lipsticks. So there are total 6 products inside the box, not 5. Okay, so first let's talk about this primer. It is Photo Perfect HD Face Primer. So the outer packaging is in a hard cardboard packaging, and it retails for 399 rupees and we get 35 grams of product. It claims that it transforms your makeup into HD makeup in 5 ways, smoothens the skin, mattifies the skin, fills pores and fine lines, enhances radiance, and makeup lasts longer and looks photo perfect. So this is given in their box, on their box. So now let's see the inside packaging of the product. So it comes in a tube packaging and I like the packaging. It is quite handy, you can carry it in your bag. Now let's see the consistency. So you can see it is a gel based primer and it has no color, it is transparent. Now let's apply it on the back of my hand. So I'm applying it. It is very smooth, it is gliding on the skin, and yes, it does smoothens the skin and fills pores and fine lines, and yeah, it makes the makeup long lasting also. क्योंकि जब मैंने प्राइमर लगा के मेकअप किया था then it lasted for longer time as compared to when I used it without applying primer. So I like their face primer. Now let's talk about their foundation. Now talking about the foundation की outer packaging भी same है जैसे कि इसकी थी. इनके प्राइमर की कार्डबोर्ड पैकेजिंग है and my shade is natural beige है मेरा शेड. इट इज़ मीडियम स्किन टोन, बल्कि मेरे स्किन टोन से थोड़ा सा फेयर ही है ये, बट लगाने के बाद इट वाज लुकिंग ओके, it was looking good. So this retails for 375 rupees and we get 30 ml of the product. सो अगेन इनके हर एक पैकेजिंग पे लिखा हुआ है नो अल्कोहल, नो पोर्क, नो एनिमल डिराइव्ड इंग्रेडिएंट्स, नो सल्फेट्स एंड नो पैराबेन्स, एंड इट इज़ हलाल, क्रूल्टी फ्री, वीगन एंड PETA certified. So what does it claim? It claims that it gives full coverage to flawlessly cover spots, blemishes, dark circles and uneven skin tone, dazzling glow that's long lasting, breathable, oil free, matte finish, sun protection with SPF 15. So it has SPF 15 also. So now let's see the inner packaging. So it comes in a glass bottle with a pump. ये pump bottle है made of glass and पैकेजिंग डिसेंट है. ग्लास बॉटल का ड्रॉबैक ये है कि यू कैन नॉट कैरी इट इन योर ट्रैवल बैग, इट माइट ब्रेक. सो नाउ लेट्स सी द कंसिस्टेंसी. सो दिस, it looks like this. Let's blend it. It is easily blendable. Okay, so now that we have blended our foundation in the back of my hand, let's see what all did it claimed and did it lived up to what it say. It says that it gives full coverage to flawlessly cover spots, blemishes, dark circles, and uneven skin tone. No, it does not give a full coverage. I would say it is a medium coverage, and you need to use your corrector and concealer underneath your foundation. Then it says dazzling glow that's long lasting. Yes, it does give a little glow, but it is not a very long lasting. On my face, after some time, it became a little oily. It released a little oil on my face. And then it says breathable, oil free, matte finish. So it might be breathable. ये मुझे पता नहीं कि breathable है कि नहीं है. Matte finish भी है. But you have to apply compact or loose powder on top of your foundation, then only it gives a matte finish. Otherwise automatically इसकी matte finish नहीं है कि आप लगाएं it gives a matte finish. No, you can see also. Then it says sun protection with SPF 15. Okay, it होगा इसमें SPF 15, but I would recommend that you should use your a good sunscreen like before applying makeup. आप अपनी स्किन को जब प्रेप अप करते हैं मेकअप के लिए, then you should use a sunscreen also. So this was about the foundation. Now we will talk about compact, lipstick and kajal in the part 2 of this video. Otherwise this video is going to be too long. So just go to my description box, click on the link there. It will take you to the part 2 video and there you can continue watching. But before that, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करो, जिससे कि जो भी न्यू वीडियोस मैं अपलोड करूँ आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आ जाए. एंड डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द वीडियो, व्हाट all video do you like to watch, and I'll try to make more videos on that, on your interest, based on your interest. So thanks for watching. Go to the next part quickly.